Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. Now I will walk you through how to create an SLA policy on the Asset Plus CMMS platform during this session. Once logged into your Fogwing Asset Plus account, click on the Settings menu item on the menu and click on the SLA Policy section under Organization Settings to navigate to the SLA Policy module in your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Once on the SLA or Service Level Agreement Policy page, fill in the required information such as the SLA name, and description. You can change default SLA to configure new according to your maintenance SLA to compliance with our organization terms. Base your priorities, define the first acknowledged time, and work order target time. With this feature, the maintenance team can seamlessly define, track, and manage maintenance work orders against SLA. A toggle button provided for each priority level to triggers email escalations to the responsible team at crucial stages when activated. Click on the Submit button to successfully create a SLA policies. The reminder escalation mails are sent a day before work order target date, next day, a week after, and a month after expired work order to corresponding team. Service level agreement policies optimizes maintenance timelines and ensures higher asset reliability. While creating work order, users will suggested target dates as per SLA. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus demo video on the creation of SLA policies. We're excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.